Hey there, young explorers. Have you ever wondered why we itch? Let's scratch the surface and find out. Itching is a sensation that makes us want to scratch. But why does it happen? Our skin is made up of tiny cells that protect our body. Sometimes these cells can get damaged or irritated. When this happens, nerve endings in our skin send a signal to our brain, which interprets it as an itch. Our brain responds by sending a signal back to our skin, telling us to scratch the itchy area. Scratching helps to remove the irritant and soothe the skin, making the itch go away. Itching can be caused by many things, like bug bites, dry skin, or allergies. Taking care of our skin by keeping it clean and moisturized can help prevent itching. If we do get itchy, there are ways to relieve it, like scratching, rubbing, or using cream. Our skin and brain work together to help us feel and respond to irritants. Pretty cool, huh? Our skin is the body's largest organ, serving as a protective barrier against external threats. It consists of multiple layers, including the epidermis, outer layer, and dermis, inner layer, which are rich in nerve endings called sensory receptors. Itching involves a sophisticated interplay between sensory nerves in the skin and the central nervous system, CNS, particularly the brain and spinal cord. When certain stimuli activate these sensory nerves, signals are transmitted to the brain where they are processed and interpreted as the sensation of itching. Specialized receptors in the skin, known as itch receptors or prioreceptors, play a crucial role in detecting itch-inducing stimuli. These receptors can be activated by various triggers, including chemicals, allergens, parasites, temperature changes, and mechanical irritation. Itch signals are transmitted from the skin to the spinal cord via sensory nerve fibers. Within the spinal cord, these signals can be modulated by neurotransmitters such as histamine, serotonin, and nerve growth factor. From the spinal cord, itch signals travel along ascending pathways to the brain, where they are further processed and perceived. Our brain is really important for making sense of itchiness and feeling itchy. It uses different parts like the somatosensory cortex, insular cortex, and thalamus to understand the itch signals from our body. These parts work together to help us become aware of the feeling of itchiness. When your body gets hurt or has an immune reaction, like when you have an allergy, it releases certain substances to help it heal. These substances, such as histamine, cytokines, and prostaglandins, can make the nerves in your skin more sensitive. So, even a little itch can feel much worse because these substances make your itch receptors more active, making the itching sensation stronger. Feeling itchy can sometimes be affected by how we feel emotionally and mentally, like when we're stressed, anxious, or in a certain mood. Our brain's centers for emotions and thinking can change how we feel itchiness, making it feel stronger or weaker at different times. Understanding the intricate mechanisms underlying itching can help guide the development of targeted treatments for itch-related conditions, such as eczema, allergic reactions, and neurological disorders. By unraveling the mysteries of itchiness, scientists aim to provide relief for those plagued by this uncomfortable sensation. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Remember, scratching is a natural response to itching, but always be gentle with your skin. And take care of your skin to prevent itching.